Example, determine the focus, directrix, axis of symmetry, and latus rectum of the parabola with a given equation. Sketch the graph. Number 1, x squared is equal to 8y. Number 2, y squared is equal to negative 16x. Number 1, x squared is equal to 8y. Since this equation tells us that it is a parabola with vertical axis of symmetry, we will be using the equation x squared is equal to 4py. 4p is equal to 8. Using the multiplicative inverse, we have now p is equal to 2. In finding the focus, we will just need to substitute the value of p. The focus is 0 and p. Since the equation of our p is 2, we have now focus at 0 and 2. The directrix. Equation of directrix is y is equal to negative p. This one, directrix. Since our value of p is 2, we have now directrix at y is equal to negative 2. Axis of symmetry. X is equal to h. This one. Since this parabola is at the origin, which is the vertex is at 0, 0, then the value of h is 0. Now we have axis of symmetry at x is equal to 0. The endpoints of the latus rectum is positive 2p, p, and negative 2p and p. We just need to substitute the value of p. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Then the value of p, 2. Negative 2 times 2 is equal to negative 4. Then the value of p, which is 2. Now we have the endpoints of latus rectum at 4, 2, and negative 4, 2. And this is the graph of the equation x squared is equal to 8y. Number 2, y squared is equal to negative 16x. Since this equation tells us that it is a parabola with horizontal axis of symmetry, we will be using the equation y squared is equal to 4px. 4p is equal to negative 16. Using the multiplicative inverse, we have now p is equal to negative 4. In finding the focus, we will just need to substitute the value of p, which is 4. We will be using these equations. So we have focus at negative 4 and 0. In finding the directrix, we just need to substitute the value of p. Since our p is negative, because the equation of the directrix is x is equal to negative p. And then the value of our p is already negative. Negative times negative 4, we have directrix at 4, positive 4. Axis of symmetry. Y is equal to k. Since this parabola is with the vertex at the origin, which is 0, 0, the value of k is 0, then our axis of symmetry is that the y is equal to 0. Endpoints of latus rectum. Negative p p plus 2p, then p negative 2p. We just need to substitute the value of p, which is negative 4. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. So we have the endpoints of latus rectum at negative 4, 8, negative 4, negative 8. This is the graph of the equation y squared is equal to negative 16x. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.